everyone, this is Bob Sura with Travel Light RV, National Sales Manager. Just want to make a quick video and give an overview of our travel trailer product line. We have a Tlrv light, we have the brand new Tlrv XL, and then we also have the Falcon 2.0. So just wanted to go over a few different things. So we'll start with the Tlrv light here. So the Tlrv light series, it's been around for about 4 years now. Clear focus in the marketplace. Ultra lightweight travel trailers. Be towed by Subarus, Jeeps, Wranglers, small sport utility vehicles. All the floor plans are going to be about 1,800 to 2,100 pounds. Some of the key features, aluminum frame, so we save weight there. Not going to get any rust like you do on the steel chassis. One-piece fiberglass roof. Dual-sided Asdale sidewalls, so all composite sidewalls. Same thing with our floor. No wood in our floors. We use something called a honeycomb floor. Wood or no water. If any water gets inside that floor, it won't deteriorate that material. Very lightweight, extremely strong. So this is a brand new floor plan for us here called the 14FB. This one's a little bit unique in that it's going to have a flat rear wall, and then it's going to have a full bathroom in the rear. So if you pan over to the bathroom there, as you can see, you're going to have the full bathroom, full standing head height, and great feature there. Obviously all the great features that we do have in the Tlrv light. Hard surface countertops, you can put hot plates on there. It's not going to be not going to hurt the material. Pull out wastebasket on this floor plan, nice feature. 15 KAC with the 12,000 BTU heat pump as well. Really nice feature on this coach. This unit weighs 2,000 pounds as it sits here. So a lot of great features to talk about, but want to give more of an overview of the product line. So follow me and we'll go into the Tlrv XL. So this is a brand new product line for us. Just came out with it here first quarter of 2024. Really excited. Still's going to have all the same construction features on the Tlrv light series as far as with the walls, the floor, the roof, the frame, aluminum frame. It's going to be 8 feet wide and at about 8 inches of additional ceiling height as well. So it's going to be taller. So the reason for this is, over the years, customers have wanted to trade up, or they said we just need a little bit more room. We don't need to be around that 1,800 to 2,100 pound dry weight, and they just wanted some more room. So we're calling this series the Tlrv XL. So once again, wider and also taller. 2 floor plans currently. We have the 17DB, as you see here, our double bunk model, and then we also have the 17CC, which stands for couples coach. So we can pan on the inside. Tons of storage up here. As you can see, still going to have the same interior look as the Tlrv light. Nice AC. You're going to have all the cabinets there. Double bunks. Bathroom in the rear. Great use of space. Tons of storage. And all the same great features that you're going to get in the Tlrv light. You can see the bathroom. So we're not going to do a full walk around on each of these units. Just want to give a quick overview as far as all of the products that we offer. So now let's go on to the Falcon series. So as some of you might remember, we had the Falcon years ago. Well, we brought it back, and it's called the Falcon 2.0. And we launched this as well at the very end of last year. So the reason for this is going to give you a little bit more room as well, and then it's also going to have the addition of the slide out. So and it's also going to be a dual axle instead of a single axle. So this one's going to be 24 feet in total length, and it's going to have a dual axle with the slide, and still is only going to have a dry weight of 3,400 pounds. So it's still extremely lightweight, can be towed by a lot of the vehicles on the road today, and the lightest dual axle travel trailer in the industry. Once again, all the same construction methods that we're using on the Tlrv light and also the Tlrv XL. So going to obviously have the outdoor kitchen, big awning, Now we'll go on the inside here. Beautiful interior. Nice for eating here. Nice tables. Hardwood countertops. Tons of storage in the kitchen area. Big bathroom. Very nice vanity in the bathroom area. And this floor plan is called the 21RB and is the only floor plan currently for the Falcon series. So once again, just to wrap it up, our current product offering, we're going to have the Tlrv Light series, where it's going to have 4 14 models, the BH, the FD, the FL, and the FB. The FB is the new one, stands for full bath, and then the 16RB. And then for the Tlrv XL, we have the 17DB and the 17cc, which once again, very similar to the Tlrv Light, just wider and also taller. And then now we have the Falcon series as well, which is going to be the dual axle. So quick overview, appreciate your time. Please reach out to us if you have further questions. Thank you.